channel. I am Diana and today I will be doing this little look. It's a Valentine's get ready with me, and I tried to do like a pink look because I really love pink, and y'all know that I love pink. Like, pink is my ride or die color, and I wanted to do this. So if y'all want me to do a red look, I can also do a red look right before Valentine's. If y'all want to see that, make sure to comment down below and let me know so I can know what y'all desire. But welcome back. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and to welcome. Make sure to follow me on my social media as well. It will be linked below in the description bar. If y'all want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching the video. The Pond's Dry Screen Facial Moisturizer. And this is like so amazing for your face. I put this in the day, in the night. I put it all the time, and I get the one that has no fragrance just so it doesn't harm my skin, and it makes my skin so soft. For today's video, because it's going to be a Valentine's get ready with me, I want my makeup to last like all day, so I'm gonna be using this Smashbox. This is a really good primer. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's silicone-y texture, and I really do not like those types of primers. I feel like they clog up your pores more than the ones that actually moisturize your face. So I really don't like this, but it makes your makeup last all freaking day, like legit all day. Anyways, this thing goes a long way. Once your prep products are in your skin for about 35 minutes to an hour, we can go ahead and apply the primer. I usually let it get tacky, like I give it like 10 minutes. I have no idea if there's like a certain time, but I usually give it 10 minutes, or like I start feeling it, and once it starts feeling tacky, that's when I put my foundation, or I start my brows and give it time for it to get tacky. Okay, I will be using the P. Louise base to conceal my lid and the bottom of my brow, and it's in shade 01. So I'm going to start with the lower part of my brow. I'm going to go ahead and just snatch it real quick. Doing that, you know, the same exact thing. I haven't used this one in a long time, so I will be using the Modern Renaissance shade I'm using first. It's going to be this right here. It's called Love Letter. Then tap that all over the lid. Hopefully it doesn't stain my lid. But y'all see that pigment?
And this is my favorite shade on the palette. So right now I'm just applying it like I said, giving it pigment and then just lightly blending it.
Okay, once your eyeshadow looks like this, you're gonna go ahead and grab like a smaller tiny brush, not super tiny, but a slightly smaller shade right here. I have no idea what it is called. I'm applying that slightly above the like maroon shade I just added. We're gonna grab a even tinier brush, and I will be going in the shade, the pink, the light pink shade in the James Charles palette, and I will be just blending that. So wherever we cut, we are going to go ahead and place the concealer. And just the light pink in the James Charles palette. And setting the base with that in the front. Right. Grab the hot pink. And blend it into the light pink. And kind of just wing it out. So I'm getting the J Glitz hot pink pigment. Like, it's literally hot pink. And I'm gonna go on the outer edge. And I'm going to get this white shimmer pigment and just apply it all over where I lined. Kat Von D foundation, and this is literally like one of my favorite foundations ever, and it's in shade light warm or shade number 43. I already primed my face before. I already showed y'all that. So we're gonna go ahead and add an even layer of foundation onto the face with the wet beauty blender or whatever tool you like to use. I used to use a brush to put my foundation on. I feel like with a brush the foundation doesn't get soaked up onto it that much. But then again, this leaves your face super flawless. And I know I'm very white. Y'all don't have to tell me that. I literally get told that every day. Not even gonna lie. I really like how this eyeshadow came out. I'm not gonna lie. So I apply it on my neck too. And what I will be concealing, I always say it. I'm gonna use to conceal. It is NARS Light 1. It's called Chantilly. I don't know what that means or how to pronounce it. That's what I'm gonna conceal with. Why is this light so white? Maybe I need to use it like 1 more week or 2 more weeks. Probably 2. I'm using, it's an Airspun as always. We're gonna go ahead and set under our eyes. The Tarte tape. These bad boy. Tarte's Pro Glow. This bad boy right here. And I'm just tapping some color onto my skin. Ya tú sabes, porque I'm super white. Okay. So I'm doing my cheekbones right now. Blush. You see how much color it gives it, and you look like you have little balls. Like what? So lately what I've been using to highlight is Chasing the Sun by Dose of Colors. Do y'all see how I'm chasing the sun right now? Like legit chasing the sun. What I'm using is WHIRL in the Matte Cosmetics lip pencils. Okay. Right. But I'm just gonna go halfway. And then I'm gonna go in the center, not the center, the inner corner, and apply that as well. And I'm gonna deepen that up, so like you can tell it's there. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in the pink, and not that shade in the middle. And I'm gonna take off this setting powder. I love Saturday ColourPop Ultra Gloss and Glass Lip. Here is a finished look with the lashes on and everything on. I really feel like this look is a potential, like, yes, like a Valentine's. Here we go. I'm ready for my man to give me everything I deserve. This is that kind of look. And I literally, like, I'm literally in love with this look. Here, I'm just gonna look down for y'all real quick. I feel like I took my time and it looks really good. Alright guys, well, this is a finished look. If y'all enjoyed, make sure to subscribe down below. And I will see y'all on my next tutorial. Bye guys. Love y'all.